Explore a realm of cutting-edge innovation with a diverse array of gadgets that redefine functionality and style. From Bluetooth earbuds delivering a unique audio experience to a mesmerizing levitating sphere, these gadgets seamlessly blend technology and design. Dive into the future of personal tech, where simplicity meets sophistication. SONGX Bluetooth 5.2 TWS Earbuds. The SONGX Bluetooth 5.2 TWS earbuds, exemplified by the distinctive hexagonal case of the SX10 model, offer a unique audio experience, praised for the quality of both metal and plastic components. Retrieving the earbuds involves a twist motion. Despite potential inconvenience, the ergonomic design ensures a snug fit for an enhanced audio experience. While the bass lacks depth, the earbuds feature a gain mode. In comparison to the Razer Hammerhead X, the latter proves superior in gaming. But without this mode, SONGX earbuds hold their ground well, ideal for those appreciating impressive design and sound in a compact package. Monkmode design, the minimal tag. Monkmode design introduces the minimal tag, addressing the common issue of excessive phone usage by incorporating hexagonal tiles designed to reduce unintentional screen time and restore focus. Beyond its minimalist NFC tag appearance, the main advantage lies in quick access buttons, streamlining tasks without navigating through numerous apps. With a target funding of $11,000, it has gained almost $5,000 from 52 backers, promising easy integration with smart homes for convenient control of lights and thermostats. The Kickstarter project offers various rewards, emphasizing simplicity, efficiency, and universal application. ESR iPad Keyboard Cases. The ESR iPad keyboard case transforms your 10th Gen iPad into a portable laptop, providing convenience for on-the-go work. It serves as an excellent alternative to the Magic Keyboard, featuring a backlit keyboard and a trackpad for seamless navigation, as demonstrated by Chesama Tech. The magnetic stand allows for adjustable typing or browsing angles, improving posture with ultra-strong magnets. The detachable case enhances iPad protection during unexpected falls. Notably, it securely holds the Apple Pencil, a feature lacking in the Magic Keyboard. Despite needing Bluetooth charging, it's a cost-effective alternative to the original Apple Magic Keyboard. Torras UPRO Ostand-R. Torras presents the UPRO Ostand-R iPhone case, distinguished by its outstanding durability and a magnetic ring. Compatible with all MagSafe accessories, the ring offers a 360 degrees rotation and functions as a versatile stand, supporting both portrait and landscape modes. Beyond being a stand, the sturdy metal ring facilitates a convenient one-handed grip without the bulk of pop sockets. Tested for 30,000 opens and closes, it ensures longevity. The case provides military-grade protection, claiming to withstand drops from up to 12 feet, safeguarding the phone's cameras and edges. All this at a cost lower than the standard Apple case. Mezmoglobe Luna. Mezmoglobe returns to crowdfunding with their 19th project, introducing a unique levitating sphere encased in a smooth spiral. The manufacturer keeps the secret of the sphere's mid-air suspension, mentioning the absence of electronics or magnets in this kinetic toy. Despite the mystery, over 5,000 backers show curiosity in the comments. The Mezmoglobe Luna is available in various calming colors, offering a serene experience. For those craving something more psychedelic, there's an alternative option called Frame. Ecobee Smart Doorbell Camera. The Ecobee Smart Doorbell Camera revolutionizes home security by integrating with the Ecobee Smart Thermostat, turning it into a multifunctional smart hub. Jennifer Patterson 2's review highlights its innovative approach, managing heating, ventilation, air conditioning, functioning as a smart speaker, monitoring indoor air quality, and more. Priced at $160, it boasts an ultra-wide 175 degrees viewing angle, 1080p video quality, and customizable features, including detection zones and two-way talk. While some features are free, advanced functions, like package detection, require a subscription after a 60-day trial, making it a comprehensive yet subscription-dependent choice. COMLAX Patch. The COMLAX Patch, backed by a $29,000 Kickstarter campaign, offers revolutionary stretching technology for personalized comfort on any body part. Unlike rigid LED massagers, it adapts to natural body curves for enhanced effectiveness. Priced at $88 for early birds, Each set includes 2 patches with 36 high-quality LEDs, certified for stability and safety during prolonged use. Waterproof and versatile, it claims to address inflammation, muscle tension, wound healing, and scar reduction. However, the premium cost prompts potential users to weigh its benefits against more affordable traditional alternatives, given its relatively new market presence and limited long-term research. The OLIGHT IMINI 2 EDC Keychain Flashlight. The OLIGHT IMINI 2 EDC Keychain Flashlight offers simplicity and essential functionality, ideal for illuminating keyholes or paths to your car. With a compact size not exceeding 1.6 inches, it hangs conveniently on your keychain. The larger version, slightly more powerful, operates at 50 lumens for about an hour on a single charge. A notable feature is its versatile charging capability from any suitable power source, providing convenience. Constructed with a durable aluminum body, it's easy to attach to metal surfaces, waterproof with an IPX8 rating, and resilient against accidental drops, ensuring reliable functionality. Trigger Point Rocker. The Trigger Point Rocker, conceived by physiotherapist Aaron Fu, aims to alleviate pain in 12 trigger points related to neck, back, and shoulder pain. Using body weight, users adjust the massager to their liking, gently rocking from side to side to stimulate muscles, restore blood circulation, and ease pain in just 10 minutes. Suitable for users weighing up to 287 ohms and ranging in height from 60 to 80 inches. It's generally safe, but unsuitable for pregnant women, children, or those undergoing special treatments. Despite crowdfunding challenges, positive reviews on Amazon affirm its effectiveness, making it beneficial for those with sedentary lifestyles. OnePlus Open. The OnePlus Open advances the foldable phone landscape, addressing common issues. Its hinge, designed for 1 million folds, operates smoothly, offering flexibility and durability. With a sleek design, it's thinner and lighter than competitors like Samsung and Google. OLED panels with a maximum brightness of 2800 nits provide a stunning visual experience, and the protective film minimizes glare. The giant camera module houses 3 cams, including an impressive 48-megapixel main sensor. Despite some reported bugs in the Oxygen OS, the standout feature is the open canvas multitasking function. Priced at $1,699, it competes closely with rivals, making its worth subjective. MEDO. The MEDO, introduced through a Kickstarter campaign, presents a mini synthesizer boasting drums, bass, chord, solo, and a built-in dynamic looper for smooth recording and layering. Designed for ease of use, it offers RGB lighting and versatility for musicians, whether creating compositions with the built-in speaker or connecting headphones. While some users may prefer specialized synthesizers, the MEDO serves as a valuable addition to any musician's toolkit. However, delays in production and shipping have resulted in negative comments on the crowdfunding page, prompting potential gift seekers to explore alternatives. And there you have it, folks. A glimpse into the world of cutting-edge gadgets, each telling a unique tale of innovation and utility. As we wrap up this showcase, stay tuned for more tech wonders on the horizon. Until then, happy exploring in the realm of possibilities.